In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play TSP on VR. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a VR-capable headset, you will be able to play the Strongest Battlegrounds or any other experience in virtual reality mode. To do this, of course, you will need to run Roblox on your VR headset. There are two main ways of doing this. One of them is going to be connecting your VR headset to your PC, usually done with a cable or wirelessly if you prefer. And the other one is going to be by running Roblox directly on your headset. Sadly, this is going to differ depending on which headset you have. I assume most people will have a MetaQuest headset, and if that's the case, then it's going to be as simple as going into the app library and you will be able to find Roblox as an option, so download Roblox from the MetaQuest store. Once you have it downloaded, you can essentially play any experience in Roblox on virtual reality directly from your MetaQuest headset. So once you have Roblox downloaded, open it from your app library. Then you will have to link your Roblox account with your VR headset. Usually this will be done by using the quick login function on your mobile device, but quick login should also be available on the website or even the standard Roblox player. Now, sadly, I cannot show you this process on screen because I don't have a VR headset available, but I believe that if you download Roblox directly on your headset, this process should be extremely intuitive. With all of this done, when you open Roblox directly on the MetaQuest headset, you will have the standard view, just like the launcher on PC or consoles. And after you are in this view, you can look for TSP or any other experience. There is no secret to this. So look for the Strongest Battlegrounds, join directly from the Roblox app on your MetaQuest headset, and you will be able to play in VR. Like I said before, another way of doing this is connecting a VR headset to your PC, running Roblox normally, and if you have a VR capable headset connected, you will be able to enable VR from the options. And when you choose any of these methods, you can play. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our channel are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems in videos about games like Roblox, so I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.